Hi people, in this video we will be talking about sketching slots with Solidworks, and the slot tool can be found located here. The slot tool has four different types as we can see, and we will take them one after the other. Just as mentioned in the previous videos, the icons always help to explain the method of use. Okay, so let's go into this to deal with these slot tools. So choosing the first, which is straight slots, we know that we select point 1, we select point 2, and then we select point 3. Now the reason why the add dimensions is showing is because this is checked. So if I uncheck this and draw a slot point 1, point 2, and point 3, it doesn't show this, but this is not bad anyways, so you could leave it if you want. Okay, so that's the first type of slot, and then we go over to the next one, which is the center point straight slot. So we know that the first point to pick is where? The center, yes. And then we select the center. The next point is the center of the arc, right? Yeah. So we select this, and then the third point is where? The radius of the arc. Yeah, you got it. So I select this point, and now we've drawn our slot. And then we can go on to the next, which is the 3-point arc slot. Now this is different. So you see point 1, point 2, and point 3. Now you notice that this slot is kind of curved in an arc form. So that's also what we're gonna see when we're drawing this. I select my first point, which is the center of the one end of the slot. I select the second point. I select the third point, which is how I want the arc to be, level of should I call it steepness. So I select this, and then the fourth point is going to be the radius of the slot. So I select this. Okay, and so lastly we go to this. I shift this also. This is the center point arc slot. Notice the first point is like the center of the arc. Now noticing or looking at this arc here, or this slot here, we notice that there is a center line, like a construction line. So using the center point arc slot, the it's just the same thing, just that we are picking different points this time around. So I select the first point to be my center. I select my second point to be the first center of one edge, and then the next center of the next edge, and then the fourth point, the radius. So that's pretty simple, right? Okay, so we'll do another slot, and we'll try to see these add dimensions. So if I just choose this basic one, the first point, the second point, and the third, you notice that these dimensions are chosen or are already displayed as illustrated here. So I can decide I do not want it to show this way, but the extreme ends of the slot. So if I click on this, it just changes that to the extreme ends. So that's what this does for us. So these tools are actually very important, especially these slot tools, because when you begin to do your mechanical designs proper, you would have instances where you have to create slots for let's say for motion. So this is needed, very necessary. And also you use slots if you are doing mating between two parts, and then you want to create kind of tolerance with them so that one can be fixed and the other can still be adjusted. So you definitely need to use your slots. So rather than creating two circles, joining them with two lines, and then looking for how to cut in between those lines, we just go straight to the point and use the slot too. Okay, So right now, this is where we're going to stop for the slot 2, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be talking about creating your arcs. You can take out time to practice what we have learned today, and if you have questions or comments or complaints, please drop them at the comment section. I'll endeavor to attend to them. And if you like this video and enjoyed this class, do not forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Do well to click on the notification bell at the top right corner of your screen to be updated when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for sticking with me till the end, and see you in the next video.